I'm going to teach you. Learn how to take organized medical school notes in Notion quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. Open Notion in your browser and log in so you're ready to build your study hub. We'll start fresh to keep things simple and consistent. In the left sidebar, click New Page. A blank page opens, click the title at the top and rename it to Medical Notes. Giving your page a clear, memorable name makes it easy to find and sets the tone for your whole workspace. Next, look to the right side and click Templates. In the search bar, type Student or Medical. Pick a template that matches your needs and click Use this template. This gives you a head start with helpful sections so you don't spend time building from scratch. Think of it as a foundation you can customize as you go. Now click anywhere on the page to start typing your lecture notes. Notion is great for capturing information quickly, so don't worry about perfection at this stage. Just get the material down. As your notes grow, keep them structured by typing /heading. Use headings to create clear sections for subjects or chapters. This makes long notes scannable and helps you jump straight to the content you need before an exam. For tracking and studying, type /table or /to-do. Use tables to list topics and map out what you've covered. Use to-do lists to keep track of assignments and quizzes, then check them off as you complete them. Keeping tasks next to your notes keeps everything in one place and reduces mental clutter. To separate materials by subject or course, go to the left sidebar and click Add a page for each one. Give each page a course name and keep related notes, outlines, and resources together. Then drag those pages under your main medical notes dashboard in the sidebar. Nesting them like this creates a central hub so you can open your dashboard and access every course with one click. When notes get long, keep your pages clean with toggle lists. Type /toggle at a label like Pathophysiology Summary, then place detailed explanations inside. This lets you collapse and expand sections, which is perfect for dense topics or step-by-step processes. You're done setting it up. From here, review your notes daily and add new information as you go. A quick, consistent review habit keeps material fresh and helps you catch gaps early, so your Notion workspace stays accurate and exam-ready. Your medical school notes in Notion are neat and easy to study. Stay organized and subscribe for more tutorials.